Hi, Algebra 1. This is WLF number 2. We want to find the slope. So remember our slope equation is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So label this x1, y1, x2, y2. Plug them in. So y2 is 7 minus y1, which is 3, over 4 minus 2. That's going to give me 4 over 2, which reduces to 2 over 1. Next problem, x1, y1, x2, y2. So plug them in. y2 is negative 8 minus negative 8 over 2 minus minus 3. That's going to give me positive, so that's negative 8 plus 8, which is 0, over 5. So this means we have a slope of 0. Number 5, we want slope-intercept form of the points. So realize this is the y-intercept, so my b value is negative 7. But I have to find the slope first as well, x1, y1, x2, y2. So my slope is going to be negative 7 minus 0 and 0 minus 4, which is going to give me negative 7 over negative 4, which is 7 over 4. So we know my b value, so y equals, my slope is 7 over 4x minus 7. Number 7 is written a little differently. Realize this is a point. 0, negative 1 is a point, as well as 2, negative 1. Well, that's my y-intercept. That's my b value. So my b value is negative 1. Find my slope. So x1, y1, x2, and y2. So my slope is negative 1 minus 1 over 2 minus 0. So that's going to give me negative 2 over 2, which comes out I have a slope of negative 1. Plug it into y equals mx plus b. Number 9. So let's figure out this equation. So let's find the slope first. I don't have a y-intercept on either of these. So that's going to be, my slope is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is negative 10 over 4. Reduce that to negative 5 over 2. That's my slope. Now I need to use my point slope. mx minus x1. We're going to take my x1, y1, plug it in. So I'm going to get y minus 0 equals slope negative 5 over 2 x minus 1. Distribute the 5 halves over, so y minus 0 is just that. Then I get negative 5 over 2 x plus 5 over 2. Just leave it as a fraction, you're okay. Number 11, neither one's our slope-intercept, or our y-intercept. So my slope is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's going to give me 3 on top. That's going to give me positive over negative 1. So that's going to give me a negative 3 slope. Let's hold on to that for a minute. We're going to use my point slope, so I get y minus 3, remember it's opposite, equals negative 3 x minus minus 1, so that's going to be plus 1. Distribute the 3 over the parentheses. So negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Add 3 to both sides. And there's my equation. Okay, I'm going to call that x1 and y1. I'm going to plug into my point slope. The reason I don't have to find my slope is they already gave that to me. So remember, when I plug it in, it's going to be opposite values. So my y is 2 up here. It's going to be minus 2 down here. Slope of negative 2, x minus 5, because it plugs in opposite. Positive 5 goes to negative 5. Distribute over the parentheses. Add 2 to both sides. And there's my equation. Have a nice day.